Okay, in this video we're going to go over how to fill in your data table for your titration lab. So first of all, you had your initial burette volume, so the amount of base that you were able to put into your burette. You want it to be as accurate as possible, so we'll call this X. Then your final burette volume we will call Y. So after you finish with your titration, the final volume of the base that was left in the burette. So the volume of the base is going to be your X minus your Y. So it's the total amount of base that you added to your acid in the flask. And that's in milliliters. So to change that into liters, it's going to be X minus Y divided by 1,000 to do your milliliters to liters conversion. Now to find your moles of base, we know that our concentration of the NaOH that we used, the base that we used, is equal to 1 molar. And our molarity is equal to moles over liters. So you're going to take the number of liters that you have, liters times your 1 molar is going to equal your number of moles. So since it's your liters times 1, your moles of your base is actually going to be equal to the volume of your base. So same as above. Now to find your moles of acid, we know from our titration formula, which you'll actually learn in class on Wednesday, so this will make a little more sense on Wednesday. So using your titration formula, you know that this is actually your moles of your acid equals your moles of your base. So the moles of the acid is going to be equal to the moles of the base. So this is going to be the same as above. So your number in your volume of base should be the same as the number in your moles of base, and should be the same as the number in your moles of acid. Your volume of your acid was given to you. So to find your acid concentration, you're going to use this formula, your MaVa equals MbVb, where your Ma or your Mb equals your molarity of your acid or base. So if it's A, it's for the acid. If it's B, it's for the base. And your Va or Vb equals your volume of your acid or base. Okay? So we'll color code this so that you can better kind of fill in the pieces for your lab. So you need to find your acid concentration. So you don't know, you haven't been given your molarity of your acid. So that's what you're trying to find. But you have been given the volume of your acid. So your volume of your acid is right here, so 0.025, and that's what you plug in. So your volume of your acid has been given. And you've also been given your molarity of your base, which is right here, 1 molar. So you've been given your molarity of your base, which is 1. And you've also been given the volume of your base, which is right here, the volume of your base. So now you can plug in those different components to find your molarity of your acid. And don't forget, this whole lab, including the data table and all conclusion questions, is due on Friday. May 2nd in class. All right, so there's all the instructions you need to finish filling out your data table. If you have any other questions on the lab, ask me in class or at break or after school, and I'll be happy to help. All right, good luck. I'll see you in class tomorrow.